Let's see how donuts are made, part and step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more.
At Dunkin Donuts, every great donut starts with carefully selected, high-quality ingredients. Flour, milk, eggs, and sugar are measured precisely to create the perfect Dunkin Donuts recipe. Advanced machines at Dunkin Donuts ensure every ingredient is prepared with consistency and precision. Every ingredient used in Dunkin Donuts is carefully inspected to meet strict quality standards.
Before production begins, Dunkin Donuts experts verify each ingredient for freshness and safety.
At Dunkin Donuts, ingredients are blended into a smooth, consistent dough using high-capacity mixers.
The dough for Dunkin Donuts is carefully mixed to achieve the perfect soft and airy texture.
Once ready, Dunkin Donuts dough is smoothly transferred to the next stage of production.
Look at the mixing speed here. It's fluctuating outside the parameters.
I see it. Adjusting the ingredient feed rate.
Every batch of Dunkin Donuts dough is checked to ensure perfect texture and quality.
At Dunkin Donuts, the dough is fried to golden perfection, creating that signature taste and texture.
Automated systems at Dunkin Donuts ensure every donut is cooked evenly on both sides.
Each Dunkin Donuts donut develops a light, fluffy inside with a perfectly crisp outer layer. After frying, Dunkin Donuts donuts are cooled careful to maintain their ideal texture. Advanced sensors help Dunkin Donuts maintain consistent size, color, and quality in every batch. At Dunkin Donuts, delicious fillings are injected with precision for consistent flavor in every bite. Each Dunkin' Donuts donut is coated with smooth glaze or rich chocolate for a perfect finish.
Signature Dunkin' Donuts toppings are added to create fun, colorful, and irresistible treats.
Once ready, Dunkin' Donuts donuts are carefully packed into their iconic branded boxes.
At Dunkin' Donuts, every donut is inspected to ensure it meets the highest quality standards. Smart technology helps Dunkin' Donuts detect any imperfections before products leave the factory.
Each Dunkin' Donuts box is sealed and labeled to guarantee freshness and traceability. Dunkin' Donuts products are quickly loaded and prepared for delivery to stores worldwide. From factory to store, Dunkin' Donuts delivers freshness and quality every single day.
And that's how Dunkin' Donuts are made. Fresh, delicious, and ready to enjoy.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.